you're doing when I'm not home. You're sneaking to IKEA, buying things, decorating this house, and acting like you have nothing to do.
Well,
I'm gonna take your bank card.
But you what?
But you.
But I work hard for it, and you love it, and you love it when the room looks nice. Don't you?
This whole house is gonna be a plant garden.
No, it's not that bad. Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. Today's video is gonna be like a mini makeover for my room. It is a mini makeover because I'm happy with my room for the most part. I'm happy with all the heavy furniture, but I just wanted to give my room like a little revamp situation. So I figured I would do that today, and I already started actually, and I wasn't planning on filming this, but then I decided like, why not? It might give you some inspiration for your space. And since my room is like my creative backdrop for especially my IGTV videos, I think it's very important that it's always like neat and functional. So yeah, it lost a little bit of its functionalness, if that's even a word. I wanted to like make it more functional again and just reorganize it. I bought a few things to just pimp my room, but I'm not gonna get a new bed, I'm not gonna get new furniture or anything like that because I'm really happy with all the things that I already have. It's just like a few little things that I want to change and cleaning for the most part. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think of these kind of videos because I'm also thinking of doing the same thing with my living room. So if you want me to film that, then let me know and I will definitely make sure to do that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. I think it's very logical to show you a before of the room. It's currently messy because I'm already like reorganizing my clothes and everything, but I'm gonna show you the before. So yeah, this is the before. The bed at the moment is looking very, very ratchet. I am folding all the clean clothes and trying to put them away, so I'm gonna continue with that in a little bit. I'm gonna focus on that for the most part. So yeah, that's that, don't mind that. Here we have like some stuff from IKEA and also some stuff from Primark Home that I need to like show you in a second that we're gonna use in this video. On my nightstand I have like a few things from my beauty supply store, like just some beauty items that I bought and I need to like put them away. Okay, and then here we have my mirror. This is the part that I'm most upset about, so I really want to fix this. These are like some shoes, which is looking super, super ratchet at the moment. And we need to find a new solution for that. There I have like a few bags stored, like and other junk. And then here is the part that I'm the most upset about because it's so not functional at the moment. It is my vanity situation. It's my necklaces, it's my beauty brushes, all of that. Like it's just a mess at the moment. But yeah, this is just what I'm the most upset about and we need to fix it. And on that side we have our closets, which I'm really, really happy with. They are matte black from IKEA. This is Benny's side and this is my side, but we need to organize this as well because what is this? Like this is just a mess. And then this side I'm so embarrassed to show you, but I'm going to anyways. Like what is that? What is that? We need to fix that. That's just not okay. Then now I want to do like the quick little haul and show you the things that I've bought for my room. This mirror from IKEA. This thing, I'm gonna use it as a laptop table for when I'm in my bed and I want to work on my laptop, but it's actually just a thing to serve breakfast on, as you can see. Then I got this to organize some of my makeup and to put it in a drawer. And I also got more organization stuff. These are like these black little boxes that you can also put in your drawer to organize makeup palettes and all of that. Curtains, very, very cheap curtains. These were only €8 and they contain 2 curtains. 2 new plants, and I got these 2 like gold tints. These were €2 only. Candles, I got these two Sinling vanilla ice cream candles. Forest fruit candles. Also smell delish. Also got some stuff from Primark Home and from H&M Home. From H&M Home, I got this little jewelry holder. It's especially for necklaces, I think. I got two new throw pillow covers. These are from H&M. They are 25 euros each. Then I got this little thing from Primark Home. It was only 6 euros. Yes, it was only 6 euros. And I also got this fake flower ornament. More candles. Oh my god, I have a candle problem. Well, they're all three in the scent Madagascar Vanilla and Patchouli. What I also got is these two room sprays. I have the pink peony room spray and also the clean cotton rose spray. And I also got two baskets with gold and rose gold wire. I thought it would add perfectly to the industrial vibe that we already have going on in here. But today I want to start with like organizing my closet. So I think I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna try to do as much as possible today. Let's organize my closet.
Just the other day, saw you looking my way.
So overwhelmed.
Start to contemplate moments that went to waste. Why you do that? You drop me like who that? And put me through that. But baby, it's useless. I'm living my life. Don't need you in mine. Me feeling just fine. One of a kind. Who better than I? Oh. Shawty, don't play that game. Shawty, don't play that game.
Benny just brought me a cup of tea. I hate this. I really hate organizing. I started on the drawers. I have the first two drawers done. So I'm going to show you that real quick. So this is my underwear drawer. It's a little awkward to show you that, but I'm not done with organizing this. I still need to finish it. That's that drawer. And here I also already set up like the little compartments from IKEA. So here I have like most of my makeup that I use on the daily. And here I have like beauty blenders and like more room to store more stuff. Yeah, this is the bed. Still not great, but what can I say? Oh. So I might have to wrap this up soon because tomorrow we're going to the gym early. So I might have to continue tomorrow. But hey amiga, it is now Sunday. I haven't done anything since Wednesday, which is not too great. I was super overwhelmed with this room, but I also have to work for my daytime job, and I'm just now getting around like doing anything for this room again. So today I want to focus on finishing off the drawers. I've managed to finish 3 and I did another one this morning, but now I'm just gonna finish doing I think 3 more drawers and then I think I should be done. I'm also washing clothes in the meantime, but I really want to get as much done as possible today. I will be super proud of myself, but I'm also going to try to clean up the whole dresser because as you can see that is still a disaster, and those are just things that need to go with like cardboard and things, packaging that things came in, so don't mind that, but I'm going to clean all of it today. So yeah. Okay amiga, it is now 2 hours later and I'm finally done with folding all the clothes. So right now I think I'm gonna start vacuuming. I'm gonna vacuum first on top of the bed and make sure like that everything there is dust free, and also like go over it with a wipey, and also do that same thing with the nightstands. And yeah, let's just get started with that.
Don't take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, stay and pray.
Now next up is this. I'm not really sure what my game plan is. I'm really not. I think I'm just gonna try to slap some sense into this. First, take everything down and then start trying to make sense out of it, I guess.
I know I'm acting stupid, but being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, flick that switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. I know we're acting stupid, we're being dumb, maybe just a little bit foolish, but I feel so young. Just go a little crazy and lose it. I don't care if we're dumb, it's the only way we know how to do it. You make me feel so young.
So, it is again another day, amiga. Like, this is taking too long at this point, and I'm so ready to be done with this. I managed to get pretty far yesterday. This is what my vanity situation is looking like. So I'm really happy with that. And now it is time to do the bed, vacuum, hang up some curtains. And I think then we're actually done with this. Like, pick up a few things and then we're really gonna be done. I also like organized this little thing yesterday. So in here I have like makeup brushes, like a whole lot of body products, ponytails and things on the bottom, body creams, dust rollers, a whole lot of things that you just need on the daily, but I have them stored in that little thing. I need to clean the other mirror, the body mirror as well. So let's just get started. I have about 2 hours to do this because I had an agreement with Benny to go to the gym today. So that's that. So yeah, let's just change the bedding. Let's start with that and try to finish up this room. And like, honestly, I need to talk to you guys about the before because I am honestly ashamed that I let it get that far. I don't know even how that happened, but it did. Anyways, shit happens. We're now gonna try our best to not let that happen again because we can't have that situation. So, let me find some music to play. Why am I not connected to the internet? I did pay for the internet, okay? So how do you mean? The bedding is clean now. As you can see, I have like the first comforter is gray, and then underneath we have like this very colorful one. But why we have that, because normally I don't buy comforters that are that colorful. One time I asked my mom to buy me a few because she was going to IKEA, and I gave her instructions to buy me like very simple white, gray, and blue ones, but she decided and buy me this. So I didn't want it to go to waste, and since she bought it in the Netherlands and I live in Belgium, it would be a whole hassle to change it. So I was like, you know what, I will keep it. So that's why we have, that's a little story. But my mom is just a very colorful person, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I am just more like, you know, relaxed, chill with the colors. I'm not that big of a fan of that much color, you know, but it's fine. And now I have a perfect solution for that, by the way. I have this, how do you call this? I don't even know what this is called, but I always throw this over all my bedding, so it doesn't really matter what is underneath it, because this is eventually what you will see. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna like put over the bed now. So let me just quickly finish that up.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon, we'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark, warm oasis. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think back, give me what I need.
But I am sweating. But the final thing that I still need to do is hang up the curtains. So I think I'm gonna do that now real quick. So let me just show you the montage of me doing that. We already have like this roll curtain, so that's perfect. But now we need to put like another curtain on the rod. Oh my god, how am I gonna reach that? Okay, got it. Not really sure what we're gonna do about that, and that's not gonna be functional because that's gonna get so dirty. That's a situation that we do not need. I might just cut it off with like just scissors and just see what the fuck happens. Not sure about that yet, but okay. Loving them for now, so we're gonna leave them here. Maybe I can tie like a little knot in them. Not sure yet. Yeah, that's cute. You can do that on this side as well. Okay. Don't really know. It's really weird to see it like this because I'm not used to it. Well, it will have to do for now because there's no other way to go about it at the moment, so that will be it. I'm gonna get Benny, this might be another day again, but I might ask Benny to help me film like some B-roll footage for the final reveal. But yes, we are finally done.